With several different features and adjustments for personalized comfort, the Basics by HON HVL721 Mesh Chair delivers long-lasting comfort. Easily customize this chair to accommodate your height and body type. Lift the lever to activate the pneumatic height adjustment to find the seat height that's right for you. The padded upholstered seat can be moved back and forth to accommodate users of various heights. Press the button on each arm to effortlessly move the arms up and down, or glide the arm pads in and out to deliver support wherever needed. For all-day support, easily adjust the lumbar support on the mesh back. While seated, the tilt tension can be increased or decreased by turning the easy-to-access telescoping knob clockwise for more resistance and counterclockwise for less resistance. The Synchro tilt control reclines the back at a 2-to-1 ratio to the seat, ensuring proper spinal alignment, enhancing overall comfort, and encouraging better posture. Pull out on the pneumatic height adjustment lever to activate the tilt lock, keeping the chair in an upright position. The HVL721 Mesh Chair delivers customizable comfort, high-end design, and the versatility to work wherever you do, all for a refreshingly low cost of ownership.